Kayo po, sino po yung sinusuportahan nyo for majority leader? Last week, nilutang ni Congressman Ortega yung pangalan ni Congressman Sandro for the position.
Well, Congressman Sandro Marcos is qualified. No? I've worked with him in the Committee on Rules. He's our Senior Deputy Majority Leader, a position that I also held before. At alam kong medyo talagang matrabaho yon in daily duty. But then it depends on him kasi wala pa eh. Marami pang mga bagay-bagay ang pinag-uusapan. Ano yun eh, nagmi-meeting pa yung ating mga party leaders. And sa totoo lang, hindi si Kong Sandro ang nagbibigay ng interest, kundi meron ding ibang mga kasamahan na nagtutulak sa kanya, not because he's the son of the president, but because naipakita niya yung kanyang diplomatic ways of shepherding our colleagues during the 19th Congress when he was senior deputy majority leader.
Mhm. At 31 years old, kung sakali pong siya yung maging majority leader, he could be the youngest majority leader in history. And this is also just his second term. Do you think, yun nga po, do you think he has enough experience and is deserving of the post compared to other veteran lawmakers na matagal na po sa Kamara?
Remember, ang naalala kasi ng lahat is second term ni Kong Sandro. Pero what I remember of Congressman Sandro is tinitimplahan niya kami ng kape. Talagang magugulat ka nung merong mga notice, na-distribute niya na pala. And it will surprise you. Ako, pang-anim ko na ito na term. Siya, pangalawa pa lang. Pero mas kabisado niya pa ang bawat sulok ng Kongreso, ang bawat opisina ng Kongreso, or kung saan man yung mga utility offices na yon. Why? Because before he became congressman, he was already part of the Congress staff. Yung talagang gumagawa ng mga sulat, nagdi-distribute ng mga sulat, minsan hindi naman kailangan na siya, but he was doing it kasi gusto niyang makihalubilo sa mga tao sa baba so that he will get the feel of how is it to work in Congress from top to bottom. At minsan magugulat ka, may mga debate yan, may mga kung ano-anong mga nuances sa majority leader's office before. And here comes Kong Sandro. He was not yet congressman at that time. Oh, may dala na siyang tubig, kape, tinitimpla, pinapakain lahat. At sasabihin niya, we will all have cool heads if we sit down over a cup of coffee. So many people do not know that prior to his becoming congressman, he was one of those, and he was very, very active as one of the congressional staff inside Congress. Not for the salary, but for the experience.
Mhm. Congresswoman, sabi niyo nga po hindi siya nagpepresenta ng sarili niya pero may mga nagtutulak sa kanya. If ever po makumbinse si Congressman Sandro to join the race, if you can call it a race for the majority leader position, would you cast a vote for him?
Definitely, definitely.
Okay po.
Our party, I belong to the Lakas party, no? Our party will definitely push for him. Kung tanggapin niya, at sa pananaw ko kasi marami ring nagtutulak sa ibang mga kapartido because being a majority leader is not just being the chairman of the Committee on Rules. You should also have the art of dealing with your colleagues diplomatically and coming up with solutions instead of problems.